Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna help you to make money online $300 a day just by typing names. That's it. Things like this. Just by typing names, you can at least earn $300 a day. I'm gonna help you step by step and give you a great method and a strategy to earn money online $300 a day. If you're ready, please keep watching this video. If you've just found our channel, I'm Ershad from United Braves. This channel is about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, working online and making money online. I help you to master your life and master your business. To watch more videos like this video, please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you, because every day I release new videos to help you to master your life and master your business. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe now. The website that I'm gonna show you today in this video that you can earn $300 at least a day, that it really works. This website, it really works if you really spend your time on working on this website. It really works and you can earn at least $300 a day. It is really like this, just by typing names. Really sounds great. Just by typing names you can earn $300 a day. That's really interesting. So let's start it. The name of this website is squadhelp.com. squadhelp.com. This is a website that companies, entrepreneurs, or some people that they want to run a business, they want to create a website, they want to register a brand, or they want to have a special product or anything else. As you see here, they will come to this website, they will come here to find a perfect name for their brands, their websites, their products, their company, their services, and everything like this, really. And then some people, some creative people like you, they're gonna give them some ideas, some names, some great names for their products, for their brands, for their companies, for their websites, for their businesses, and everything like this. So here we have names, taglines, slogans, and logo designs. It depends on you that which one of them do you prefer to work on. You wanna give them creative names or slogans, taglines, or if you're a designer, you know how to design, you can also work on logo designing. How it works, this website, this Squad Help, as I already told you, companies, entrepreneurs, people who want to run a business or create a product or create a website, they come here and they order, for example, they need a creative name. For example, based on their requirements, you should make a creative name and or creative domain for them, and then they're gonna choose your name and pay you. That's it. That's all the things that you need to do. Just you need to be a little creative person, and then you can earn at least $300 a day just by typing names, just by spending time. And I really want to show you a great way that how you can also make creative names for this, because maybe you know this website before, but you don't know how to create actually creative names. This is a problem. And I'm gonna show you in this video that how you can also create a great and creative name for their businesses, for their products, for their web domains, and also for their websites. And if you need any slogans, also you can use the same ideas. And that in this video I'm gonna help you to create great names for businesses, companies, products and slogans and everything that you need on this website. So let's see. If you want to work on this website as a creative person, as a creator, how it works, it is like this. First, you should submit your ideas, naming, slogan, or logo contents and things like this, and then they're gonna rate your ideas and then provide feedback, as you see here, the second step, and then earn cash awards if your idea is selected by the company. That's great. And how there are frequently asked questions here. How will I get paid? We use PayPal to send all payouts. You will need to have a verified PayPal account to get paid, and this is something that you need. You need to have a PayPal account to work on this website, and you can have a PayPal account very easily. It's not something difficult, and I think you already have this one. So that's all. Then I'm going to show you that really it works or not. Really this site really gives you money or not. Just it's a scam, or it's not something that there aren't any companies on this website and something like this. No, it really works. This website really works. I'm going to show you some winners that they already made money on this website. As you see here, there are winners here. You see, June, the 7th of June, this person, Char, earned just $200, as you see here, and it's like this. I don't know why it is like this. Or this person, Pure Brains, earned $300. And this person earned $100, $100, and almost of them on 7th of June, because this is the nearest date. And as you see, $300, $300, $200. It depends on the name, and of course the rate and the requirements. For example, a company is ready to give $300. A company is ready to give $100 and $200 and something like this. It depends on also the rate of your names that you created, that you already created and put it on this website for these companies and for the competitions. And we're gonna show you the leaderboard. Well, what is it? There are some people here that the first rank of this website, you see, this person just earned near to $42,000. $42,000. Can you imagine that? $42,000. In just let's see. As we see, you see different numbers here. $27. Yes, this person we see here, she registered on 25th of May, and she earned $43,000. $43,000. Can you imagine that? And that's it. She already participated in 2,224 contests, and she won 73. This is the stat that here. And you should be active on this website. It's not like this, for example, you say, okay, every month or every week I will come to this website and check something and check the competitions, check the contests, and maybe I'll join. No, look at this. Look at this. Just in December, she participated in 245 contests, and she really participated in competitions for 200 times, more than 200 times, and then she won 14 times. And you see, you should be active if you want to earn money. Earning money, making money online or even offline. Yes, there are some great ideas that you can earn very easily money, but of course it needs effort. Nothing is easy, nothing. If someone tells you that success is easy, they're just lying you. That's it. If you want to earn money, if you want to become a person that can afford everything and become rich and wealthy in your life, you need to put effort. You need to work hard. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes hard work. If you want to really earn lots of money and become an entrepreneur, become a person that shows to this universe, to this world, that hey, I'm brave enough to have such a great life. That's why I'm ready to work hard to do everything that I need. So here, as you see, you need to also work hard somehow to earn money and to earn enough money. I mean great money here. Related to what you want to do here on this website. And this is just an example, and as you see, there were different numbers, different people with different amount of money that they already earned. You see, this guy just earned $66,000, $33,000, and different. You see different numbers here, different numbers, different people. That's awesome. That's really awesome. Just it needs your motivation, it needs your hard work, it needs your creative mind. That's all. You need to create an account. You need to create an account here. Your first name, last name, display name, and email address here. You should choose that you want to join as a creative or as a buyer. Of course, you wanna work here, so you should choose this one. Join as a creative person, and then actually fill out this form and create account. That's it. And then you need to confirm their activation. There is an activation email that they will send to your email, and then you should confirm that email. Then you will come here. This is a dashboard that you can work here. As you see, get started. Everything is so clear here. Messages, my contests, activity feed, points, and my earning, and everything like this. Just like this. Things like this. Exactly. And now I'm gonna show you, help you step by step, that how you can create great names, creative names for a brand, for a product, for a website, and slogan, and something like this. And please, right now, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. I want you to like this video. So please keep watching. As you see, there are some words here: fashion, mode, beauty, great, body, clothes, shop, star, and there are some keywords. It depends on the business. For it's about fashion, it's about learning something, or anything else. You need to choose. You need to think about some great keywords and then write them down. After that, you're going to use them like this. For example, fashion. Use with this for each of these words. For example, fashion body, body fashion, fashion clothes, clothes fashion, fashion mode, fashion shop, fashion beauty, beauty fashion, fashion store, store fashion, great fashion, fashion great, and it's like just like this, you know. For example, fashion mode, fashion actually mode body, body mode, beauty clothes, beauty mode, beauty great beauty, beauty great, beauty star, star beauty, star mode, star body, you know, just like this. You can create great names like this one and continuous. So even a slogan, you can write some great statements, short statements. Actually, you know, as this is my piece of advice for you, brands and slogans shouldn't be so long, maximum 2 words. For example, for brand names, a maximum 2 words. For slogans, maximum 4 or 5 words, not more than that. Actually, I already saw some people that they created some long names, some long slogans. No, you shouldn't do that. You know, brands and slogans should be something simple, should be something short, that people can memorize it very well, and whenever they want to remember about your brands, about your slogans, can remember it very well. Not a long I don't know, sentence, long statements, long brand names. No, it shouldn't be really like this, and it should be so short, so beautiful. I mean, not just a great name and beautiful name without any meaning. No, it should be also meaningful. If you just spend time on doing this one, about 1 hour a day or 2 hours a day, really you can handle it, and you know how to manage, how to create these kind of stuffs and create creative names for a business, for a product, for a company, for an entrepreneur, for their websites. Also, I already released a video about how to use your creativity, and in that video I talk about that how you can use your creativity, and there are some great method for that you can use that method. And there is a great method for brainstorming. You can use that method. I already released a video about that. There is a link here. You can click on this link and you can watch that video and use the idea in that video. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up. I want you to like this video, and also to watch more videos like this video. Please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.